Welcome this video. Build a depth cloth to the ground. A low profile depth often cloth a ground left or platform depth is an attached perfect way to stand your living space. Whether you are built a space for outdoor entertainment or provide relax zone or a simple address away. Platform build a depth cloth to the ground percent a unique set of advertising and challenge in the comprehensive gas. We walk throwing progress plans, material challenge, type main interest statement. When build a ground level depth before going into conclusion left understanding will make choose adapt close to the ground. Simplicity ground level depth type requested structure then provide depth there no need for fixable range centrability which simple to build progress and rate cost effectiveness without tell supported and structure the overall and low cost and centrability loss it's great choose for those which are limited budget or those how when weekend project a static appear a well built low depth seamless interior with landscape and enhance the natural full benefit indoor and outdoor space ability. Its idea for create free for individual with mobile which contact to doorway to work walk. Plants and Promax even throughout level up or simple plants and long team success. Determinant location and size sunlight. Consider how much sun and shade area received. Water determinant just low supported when water collected. Excess makes such the depth is peace alarm to door or walk away. Check loads build code. Main requested even for group level depth. Log code main requested. Sun piece allow depth under the cost height. To scale solve functional like growing. Choose the right material. Frame ribbon is the more connect touch the salt tap surface cloud or redwood often natural resisting to dew and beautiful appear. Compost depth is low maintenance and water requesting area if long to promote hardware. Choose material hardware to requested